Welcome to the ECDL Word Processing module, section 2.2.5. Here we have to understand how to use a simple replace command for a specific word or phrase. So in the ECDL exam, you might be asked to replace all instances of a particular word with a different word. So let's have a look at how we do this. First of all, to replace a word or phrase in your document, you'll need to go to the Home tab at the top of your ribbon and then head right across to the right hand side where you have this Replace button just underneath the Find button. You can also access the Replace feature or Replace command by using the keyboard shortcut Control H. The Find tool is Control F, but Replace is Control H. Now, whether you press the Replace button here or you type Control H on your keyboard, doesn't matter. You'll get this little panel pop up. And there are two things that you need to do here. One is to type in whatever word or phrase it is that you are looking for in your document and that you'll be replacing. So this is obviously just dummy text that I'm using here, but we're going to find all instances of this word nunc, N-U-N-C, and we're going to replace it with something really obvious that we'll be able to see clearly in this exam. So I'm actually going to type ECDL in capital letters, and it's important that you can replace one form or format of a word with another, so you're replacing capital letters. For example, if this should have been in capitals, you can look for it as lowercase and replace it with uppercase. But I'm replacing this word with an entirely different word, and then once we've done that, we have a choice. We can either simply click the Replace button, which will replace the next instance of this word it comes across, and then we can keep on clicking Replace until we're happy that we've replaced enough of it. Or the more likely scenario in an ECDL exam is that you will simply click this button here, Replace All. Now when you hit Replace All, what Word does is it looks for all examples of this word in the document and it gets rid of them and replaces them with this word instead. So if I click Replace All, okay, all done, and it says that we made 8 replacements. So it found this word nunc 8 times and has got rid of it every single time and replaced it with 8 instances of this word ECDL. And if I click OK and I close that panel, you can see here that I've got ECDL written several times throughout this document. So the word nunc no longer exists in this document. It has been entirely replaced with this word instead. So that's how to use the Replace command to replace either a word or a phrase throughout a document.